This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting materials: paper, a pencil, eraser, ruler, and optional colored pens. First, pick a clear theme and write a list of 10 to 20 words that fit. Longer words need more grid space. Next, select a grid size like 10x10 or 12x12 based on how many and how long your words are. Once done, lightly draw the grid with a ruler so letters will align. Make sure to leave margins for a title and solution key. Now place the longest words first, fitting them horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. This anchors the puzzle and uses space efficiently. Once those are set, insert medium and short words, allowing overlaps when letters match to make the grid denser and more interesting. After all words are placed, fill empty cells with random letters, aiming for even letter distribution so solutions aren't obvious. Make sure to vary directions and avoid accidental extra target words. Double-check spacing so words don't unintentionally collide. Finish by crafting a clear answer key on a separate sheet, circling or highlighting each word's start and direction so you can verify answers quickly. Add a title, the visible word list, and a difficulty note. If you plan multiple copies, consider laminating or scanning for reuse. If the puzzle feels too crowded, increase the grid size or remove longer words. Alternatively, if words are too hidden, place a few more horizontally. One troubleshooting tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.